How to make my random creation. Take any yogurt you want. Put in as much spoonfuls you want. Take some chocolate chips. Pour into bowl. Mixy. Get a ripe banana. Peel it. Break it up into small pieces. Add. Eat the rest. Yum. Get any chocolate cereal. Add. Take some cocoa powder. Sprinkle a little bit. More chocolate chips. Add a little, not a lot. Grab any chocolate syrup. Drizzle a little bit over. And there you have it. Enjoy. Love y'all.